Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of Oreo chocolate milkshake. It's very easy to make and it tastes just like what we get in cafes. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
So we'll start with making Oreo crumbs. So here I've taken 10 Oreo chocolate cream biscuits. So I'm going to grind these along with the cream. Now grind these into a fine powder. So this is ready. From these Oreo crumbs, I'm going to keep aside 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add this to the whipped cream. You'll see it later in the video. So just keeping it aside. Now to the same blender jar, add half cup chilled milk. So this is boiled and cooled milk, but it has to be chilled. I mean very cold. Now add around 1 tablespoon chocolate syrup. I'm using Hershey's chocolate syrup. 3 ice cubes. 3 to 4 you can add. Now here I'm adding 200 ml chocolate ice cream. So add chocolate ice cream of your choice, your favorite brand or homemade. Now blend this, do not over blend, just until everything is mixed and the shake still remains thick. This chocolate Oreo milkshake is now ready. Look how thick it is and it looks perfect. Now for the decoration, here I have some whipped cream. It's approximately 3/4 cup of whipped cream. It already has sugar in it. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon instant coffee powder followed by the 2 tablespoon Oreo crumbs which we had kept aside. Give everything a good mix. And our flavored whipped cream is ready. It tastes awesome. So here I've taken a piping bag and a star piping nozzle. And I'm going to place the nozzle inside this piping bag. You can take a normal plastic bag if you have it or any other piping bag. And now fill this with this whipped cream. And now comes the final part. Take a glass and drizzle some chocolate syrup using a spoon like this, just some random swirls. And now add the shake which we had prepared. Finally top it with the whipped cream, the flavored whipped cream which we just prepared. Place half Oreo or a full Oreo for garnishing and again drizzle some chocolate syrup. This just tastes like what we get in the cafes. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!